Alright guys, you see this match versus Lesotho, no be match wey you suppose take serious too much. Just go there, beat them 5-0, reserve your energy for Benin Republic. Lesotho no suppose fit hold Super Eagles, suppose just go there, give them 5 goals and reserve the remaining energy for Benin Republic. Because na that one na be final game. That one just like final. Na that one we need to put all our energy to beat Benin Republic in Nigeria here. To show them say we are no mates. So this Lesotho now na just small baby. Just go there, beat them 5-0 and just come out. Reserve your energy for Benin Republic. Now that one gonna be the main match wey you suppose focus on. That Benin Republic match. To focus on that one. Very important. So today match, you no need too much. Just 5 goals is okay for us. 5 goals, 5-0, and just reserve the remaining energy for Benin Republic. That is all. No need too much goals. Just 5 goals. It's okay for us. We are okay with 5 goals.